Hi kids, as you can see that we have to find out x, y and z, okay, in the given figure. Alright, so let us study the figure first of all very carefully, and then we will be able to come to some tangible conclusion. Alright, well, as you can see, this is a circle. Now we have one triangle here, another one is this. Alright, now here we have A, this is a B, alright, this is C, correct, this is D, here is E, and finally we have F, correct. Now two values have already been given. First is for angle A, second is for angle C. Angle A is equal to 62 degrees while C is 43 degrees. Okay. Now our motive is to find out x, y and z using those theory or concept based on cyclic quadrilateral. Alright. So how do we proceed? First of all, we already know that one cyclic quadrilateral is taking place A, B, D and E, isn't it? So we'll have to use this to our benefit. Alright. As you may know that in a cyclic quadrilateral, okay, for example, we have the circle, and if there are 4 points on the circle like this, correct, we have this angle and this angle, the opposite angles sum up to 180 degrees. Now this plus this must also be equal to 180 degrees. So using this concept, what do we see is that angle BDE and angle BAE, they happen to be opposite to each other, which means angle BDE must be equal to what? 180 degrees minus 62 degrees. Alright. So first we need to write down the steps. Okay. Since, okay, angle BAE plus angle BD, okay, E is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Which is what? The reason is sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, correct? We know that this is already 62 degrees. So this will be, so we know that BDE is to be found out. Therefore, angle BDE will be equal to 180 degrees minus, this will go to the other side, angle BAE, which is equal to 180 degrees minus 62 degrees for angle BDE. Alright. So can we write over here 118? We can, isn't it? Now we have not still found any of the three, x, y or z, but we can head on, okay, proceed towards it. How? Let's do it. we know that, okay, ACE is a triangle. Okay, you can call it as AEC too. Understood? So in this triangle, having got two angles, it's very easy to find out angle AEC, isn't it? So next we move on, okay, to in triangle AEC, while angle, okay, CAE, okay, is equal to 62 degrees. Angle AEC is also unknown to us. Plus, what we have is, this is known to us, angle ACE. ACE. Angle ACE. But they all sum up to 180 degrees by angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. So, by angle sum property of a triangle, correct? Now, when we substitute the values of CAE, okay, which is, okay, CAE is 62 degrees plus AEC is not known to us, AEC plus 43 degrees. This is ACE. We'll therefore get AEC, which will be equal to 180 degrees minus sum of 62 degrees plus 43 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees minus, okay, 105 for this, which is equal to 75 degrees. So now we know that this is AEC, okay, AEC is equal to 75 degrees. Alright guys, now look at it, the cyclic quadrilateral A, okay, B, D and E, A, B, D, okay, E, we have three angles complete except for X, okay. So in our next move, what we have is that in cyclic quadrilateral, okay, X plus 62 degrees plus 75 degrees plus 118 degrees is equal to 360. Alright? Isn't it? Therefore, X plus, okay, this plus this plus this is equal to 255 degrees, which is equal to 360 degrees. Alright? Therefore, X is equal to 360 degrees minus 255 degrees, which is equal to 105 degrees. So we have found our first X, which is equal to 105. Correct? Now we'll go on to find out Y and Z. For Z or Z, however you pronounce, we know that in this triangle ABF, we have two angles already in hand. Z or Z is unknown to us still. Okay, so should we go ahead? So next, in triangle ABF, we know that, what do we know that? Angle X plus 62 degrees plus Z is equal to 180 degrees angle sum property, like how we have here angle sum, okay, property. Alright, now we have x equals to 105 degrees, which we have found out right now, plus 62 degrees plus Z is equal to 180 degrees, which means therefore Z is equal to 180 degrees minus 105 plus 62 degrees, isn't it? Which means what? 62 plus 5 is 67, so 167. This is equal to 180 degrees minus 167 degrees. Therefore, this is equal to 13 degrees. So, our Z is equal to 13 degrees. Alright. Now, Y is left. Now, how do we find out Y? Now, this is also very easy. We know that this angle is an exterior angle in this triangle. Okay. Now, we'll write, okay, in triangle DEF, alright, angle, okay, I can write this exterior angle DEA is equal to sum of Y and Z, isn't it? Because these two are the interior opposite angle of this exterior angle. Now, DEA is already known to us, 75 degrees. We don't know yet our Y, but we know our Z, which is 13 degrees. Therefore, Y equals to 75 degrees minus 13 degrees, which is equal to 62 degrees. Alright guys, so this, okay, brings us to the end of our query, which is Y, okay, equals to 62 degrees. Alright guys, so this wasn't very difficult, just that it was a bit long. Alright guys, so when you go through this entire video once more, there will be more clarity, and if you still don't understand, do ask me in the comment section. So I hope this makes everything clear to you. Okay, so if I can quickly reinforce, I would say my first step would be to identify the cyclic quadrilateral in this figure, which is A, B, D, E. Cyclic quadrilateral has, supposing I would say, if say P, Q, R, S, all the points, okay, ought to be on the rim of the circle, on the circumference of the circle. In that case, this and this sum up to 180. This and this also sums up to 180 degrees. So this will sum up to, in total, 180 here, 180 here, 360 degrees. Alright guys. So since 62 was given, it was easier to find out 118 degrees, which we did over here. Okay. Next, having got that, we concentrated on this triangle. Alright. And what is that triangle? It's AEC. Why did we do that? Because they had already given us 43 degrees for angle C and for angle A 62 degrees. So it was easier to find the third angle of a triangle. Alright. Which we did over here. This plus this is 180 degrees. 62 was given for CAE. and also ACE is 43 degrees. So this was the odd one out, which we found out equal to 75 degrees. Alright guys. Next we switched over once again on the quadrilateral. Alright. So we have 4 angles here. We already had got 75 degrees for this one. So 1, 2, 3. Alright. Now we'll head on with the finding of x, which was unknown to us so far. So having got these 3, we know that all these 4 sum up to 360 degrees. So we found out the value of x to be equals to 105. And next in triangle ABF. ABF. These 2 were known, this was unknown, so 13 degrees. Simple. Having found out this, the last property that we used was that of exterior angle. Okay. Exterior angle was 75 degrees, which always is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So 13 degrees plus y is equal to 75. So 75 minus 13 degrees gave us our y. Alright guys. So I hope it is clear. So in case there is still any doubt, do ask me in the comment box. Will be welcomed with whole heart. Okay. Thank you guys, and I hope you people have enjoyed watching. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great time.